Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying your new year. And I actually took a quick trip to 2019. There is this phone that really made a little bit of wave around the last quarter of the year 2019, and this is the Infinix Hot 8. It is a very low budget phone. When I say very low budget, I mean under or around $100, which is 35,000. Though this device is 3 months old, that it was released the last quarter of 2019, but surprisingly, it's still selling hot. Like, it's still people are still buying this phone. Here is my review and honest opinion about this device. The Infinix Hot 8 has a smooth plastic finish at the back and around to protect the LCD 6.52-inch 720 by 1600 pixel screen with a PPI density of 269, having a water drop notch. The Infinix claims the screen is a HD plus screen. The whole body of the device is 6.6 inch, having its 1.5% screen to body ratio due to the bezel on the lower part of the screen. Bear in mind that you cannot watch YouTube videos above 720p quality. Also, the whites in the screen are clearly white, unlike the low sunny look on some devices. The device has a brightness of up to 440 nits, which means you even in the lowest brightness, like when you lower it very well, you still can see very clearly. If you need to ease the whiteness in your eyes, the eye care is there to give you that warm sunny look. As per gaming, I don't really recommend you play heavy games on the phone due to the RAM. Now, if you decide to play games on this device, it depends on the graphics of the game you're playing and the size as well, because it will have an effect on the RAM. If you're a huge gamer, I recommend you buy the 3GB version, like the 3GB RAM version, which is model number X650D, and the 2GB RAM is X650B. I wouldn't say the graphics are amazing on the device, but it is okay considering the price. Enough about the screen, let's move to the back of the device. On the back, we got the engraved Infinix logo beneath the fingerprint sensor. On the left, we have the triple camera setup of 13 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. The second is a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera and a QVGA low light sensor. QVGA stands for quarter video graphics array, meaning you get the video resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, and the quad LED flash located there as well. And what quad LED flash means is you get 4 tiny LEDs that shines really bright. Lastly, we have the hot signature at the bottom. The back camera shoots videos at 1080p by 30 frames per second. Other features of the camera is the bokeh effect, the AI cam, the beauty mode, the AR shots, that's a Snapchat lighting, and then the panorama. Here is a picture of me from the back camera and another of me from the front camera. It is not a bad camera at all. Seated in a comfortable spot is the volume rocker where your hand can reach it easily on the right side of the device, and below is the power button with the rough top that feels good when you click the power button. On the left, all you got is the SIM card tray housing a dual SIM and a micro SD card which is expandable up to 128GB. Beneath the Hot 8, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro USB charging connector, and speaker, because it's one speaker there. The speaker are not really amazing. Now let's take a quick trip inside the device itself. We have the Android 9 Pie wrapped in XOS Cheetah version 5.02, powered by a 12nm MediaTek MT6761 Helio A22 chip, a CPU of octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex A53, and PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It has 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage. As I mentioned earlier, there are two models. We have the X650D, which is 3GB of RAM, and the X650B, which is the 2GB RAM. I think you'd find the 3GB version much more better, but I would say the 2GB is not bad. You just have to close up some apps you're not using. The battery is a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, which can take you a day on heavy usage, that's on mobile data. On Wi-Fi, it can make it past 24 hours on normal usage. The device is equipped with radio, direct surround sound for headphones, Bluetooth 5.0, 4G LTE and an OTG option. As far as security concerns, you have an option of face unlock, which is surprisingly faster than I thought it would be, but I would not fully trust it because it can be easily tricked with a video or pictures of whoever owns the phone. And you also have the fingerprint, you also have the password and the pattern. It comes in 4 colors. It comes in the midnight black, the quetzal cyan, the cosmic purple and shark gray. All 4 amazing colors to choose from. As pricing concerned, this is the main thing people consider before getting a device. The model number X650B, which is the 2GB of RAM, is 37K, that's 37,000 naira. And the model number X650D, which is the 3GB of RAM, is 40K. Finally guys, that is all I have for you on the Infinix Hot 8. The only thing I noticed that I don't really like about the device is the speakers. The speaker is not really that okay, like, you know, very okay. But who uses the loudspeakers to play music these days? Luckily it comes with a direct surround sound, which is amazing for listening to audios through your earphones. The second thing is the RAM. As I mentioned earlier, there's the X650B model, which is the 2GB RAM, and there's the X650D model, which is the 3GB RAM. So it's all depends on you and your pockets. I think the other one is just 3,000 naira difference, that's 3K the difference. So it all depends on you to choose which one would you like to go for. Would you like to stick to the cheap one just because you want to save, or you want to step up a little bit and enjoy 3GB RAM? The last thing I noticed are the pixels, which you won't really see unless you look closely at the phone. So whatever you choose, if you want the 3GB device, you want the 2GB, it all depends on you. You've been watching Tech Mayor. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and hit the notification bell as well so you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.